How to enable location on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable your location on Snapchat. Open the app. Once you open the app, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the top left of your screen. As you open your profile, scroll down, and as you scroll down you can find the Snap Map options. Here, tap on enter and it will show you the map. Now, after map opens, tap on the arrow icon that you can find on the screen and it will ask for you to enable location, and now you need to enable location. You can simply enable location by yourself or tap on the enable location option. After you enable your location, tap on the arrow icon again and here your location will be enabled. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe and comment down if you have any further issues.